Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Prepper. Today it's Amritsari fried fish on the menu. But before starting, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I have also written down the entire recipe in the description box, both in English and in Assamese. Do check that out. Now let's begin. Here I have half a kg of catfish, then water, 1 lemon, 10 cloves of garlic, 6 dices of ginger, then the powdered and the whole grain spices, 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda, then 1 cup each of gram flour and all-purpose flour, salt and turmeric powder, and mustard oil. First we will marinate the fish. For this, add salt as per taste and squeeze a lemon over the fish. Now mix this well and keep it aside for 3 hours. Now add the ginger dices and the garlic cloves that we have to a mixing jar and add approximately 2 tablespoons of water, and we are going to grind this into a smooth paste. Now for the batter, add 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda to this and salt as per taste. Three teaspoons of cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now add the ginger garlic paste that we made. And then keep on adding water from time to time and mix it well until it turns into a thick batter. Don't make the batter too slurry or else the coating won't stick to the fish. Here our batter is done. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds. Now mix this well. Now heat a pan and add mustard oil such that you can deep fry your fish in this. Now dip your fish in the batter. Add 6 teaspoons of the marinade so that it gets a nice sour flavor. Now after your oil gets hot, add the coated fish to the oil and fry. Fry one side for 4 to 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes flip them over. Now put on the lid. After 7 to 10 minutes, uncover and your Amritsari fried fish is ready. Transfer it to a plate and sprinkle chaat masala all over. Hey guys, hope you all like the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family to help me grow.